I'm Anil Kumar, and here is question number 3 on Introduction to Trigonometry. State the three primary trigonometric ratios for the angle x in the given triangle. So the triangle XYZ is given to us. We know two sides of the triangle, hypotenuse and the adjacent side. We need to find primary trigonometric ratios. Now, what are primary trigonometric ratios? Well, primary trigonometric ratios are sine theta. Here the angle is x, so we'll write sine x, cos x, and tan x. So these are primary trigonometric ratios which we need to find, right? Secondary trigonometric ratios are 1 over sine x, which is cosecant x, 1 over cos x is secant x, 1 over tan x is cotangent x. So those are also called reciprocal trigonometric ratios. Now, to find sine x, cos x, and tan x, we need to know the third side of the triangle also. We can actually find the third side using Pythagorean theorem. Since we know the hypotenuse, right? So we can say sum of the other two sides. Let me call this side as, let's say, O, right? Since it is opposite to x, I'm just naming it O. Now, in this particular case, 12 square plus O square, which we don't know, is equals to 13 square. So O square, opposite side square, will be 13 square minus 12 square, and O will be equals to square root of 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. You can always use calculator to calculate these values, and square root. Since the sides are always positive, we always take the positive value, right? Now 169 minus 144 is 25, so square root of 25, which is 5. So now we know that this side, opposite side for us is 5, and the units are meters. Now we can find sine, cosine, and tan. Now you should also remember SOHCAHTOA, that is, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent side. So that gives us the direct answers, right? Sine x will be, so we are talking about this angle. If you see, opposite side is 5, so we have 5. Let me first write opposite over hypotenuse here, and then opposite side is 5, so 5 over hypotenuse is 13, the longest side, which is opposite 90 degrees. So 5 over 13 is actually the exact value of sine x. Similarly, cos x could be, cos x is adjacent side over hypotenuse. Adjacent will be between the angle and 90 degrees. So adjacent is 12 meters here. Well, the meters and meters will cancel, and therefore I'm not writing units here. You should remember these are ratios. So ratios do not have units. So 12 over 13 is cos x. As far as tan x is concerned, it is opposite over adjacent side, correct? So opposite to x is 5 meters, so you can write 5 meters. The adjacent side here is 12 meters. Let me write 12 meters here. As you can see, meters will cancel out, so we'll get 5 over 12. So 5 over 12 is the exact answer. So that is the answer for us. Since we do not have to write to any decimal values, these are actually better than the decimal answers. So these are exact values. So our answers are given above in as exact values. Well, so these sine x will be 5 over 13, cos x will be 12 over 13, and tan x is going to be 5 over 12. I hope that helps. Thanks.